Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by understanding what the active cell means in Excel. The active cell is the single cell with a thicker border ready for input. You can immediately identify it by looking at the name box to the left of the formula bar. If you are editing a cell, press ESC to exit edit mode and reveal the active cell again. Arrow keys move the active cell one cell at a time in the direction pressed. Clicking any cell makes it the active cell instantly. Use built-in UI features to find and focus any cell quickly. Press Ctrl+G or F5 to open GoTo and type an address to jump there immediately. Click the name box, type B12 for example, and press Enter to make that cell active. Use Ctrl+F to search for specific text or values and press Find Next to select the matching cell. To select cell ranges, type A1, C10 in the name box and press Enter to focus the first cell in the range. Automate focus tasks using simple VBA when UI methods are insufficient. In VBA, active cell references the focus cell on the active worksheet at that moment. You can read active cell, address to get its address or use selection, address for multi-cell selections, use range, find to locate a value programmatically and then use found cell. Select to make it the active cell. To ensure a sheet is ready, call Worksheets, Sheet 1. Active.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.